Hello everyone, welcome back to StoryStep English, episode 15. Today, we are discussing a very important topic. We're talking about AI, or artificial intelligence, in our daily life.
This is a very timely topic, Jenny. It seems like everyone is talking about AI right now. It is not just science fiction movies anymore.
Exactly, Blaze. 10 years ago, AI felt like the future, but today it is part of our normal, everyday reality. Do you think you use a lot of AI in your personal life, Blaze?
To be honest, I used to think I did not use it much. I thought AI meant big robots and factories, but now I realize it's in my pocket.
In your pocket? You mean your smartphone?
Yes. For example, this morning I used a map application to drive here. The traffic was very bad, but the app suggested a different route. It said this new way was 15 minutes faster.
That is a perfect example. That map application uses AI. It analyzes a lot of data from other drivers to predict the best route for you in real time.
It really works. It saved me a lot of time. It feels like having a smart assistant who knows the roads perfectly.
That's a great way to describe it. AI in daily life is usually an invisible assistant. We do not see it, but it helps us make better decisions and save time.
It is very impressive. Before we move on, I just remembered another thing my phone does. When I look at the screen, it unlocks. I don't type a password, it just knows my face.
Yes, facial recognition. That's AI too. The camera scans your face and compares it to a saved picture. It's very fast and safe.
And when I type an email or a message to my boss, the phone suggests words for me. It's like it knows what I want to say next.
We call that predictive text. The AI learns the words you use often. It tries to guess your next word to help you type faster.
Sometimes it suggests the perfect word. It saves me a few seconds every time. Those seconds add up. It makes working much easier.
Exactly. AI is in your map, your camera, and your keyboard. It's everywhere. Now, are you ready to talk about how AI changes our free time and entertainment?
Yes, I'm very curious about that. Let's go.
Now let us talk about how we relax. After a long day at work, what do you usually do, Blaze?
I usually go home, sit on my sofa, and turn on the television. I like to watch movies or videos on the internet.
Me too. When you open a video app like YouTube or a movie app like Netflix, what do you see on the first page?
I see many pictures of movies and videos, and the funny thing is, they are always things I want to watch. If I watch a video about cooking today, tomorrow my screen shows me 10 more cooking videos.
That is not magic, Blaze. That is AI. We call it a recommendation system.
How does it know what I like? Does it listen to my conversations?
No, it does not listen to you. It looks at your data. It remembers every video you click. It remembers how many minutes you watch. If you stop a video after 1 minute, the AI knows you do not like it.
Oh, I understand. So if I watch a whole movie about action and fast cars, the AI says, Blaze loves action movies. Let us show him more cars.
Exactly. It also compares your data with millions of other people. If people who like car movies also like space movies, the AI will suggest a space movie to you.
That is very smart. It happens with my music, too. I listen to a new song, and then the app plays 5 more songs that sound just like it. I find many new favorite songs this way.
Yes, AI makes our lives very convenient. We do not have to search for hours. The app does the hard work for us. It knows our taste.
But, Jenny, is there a bad side to this? Sometimes I feel like I only see the same type of videos every day. What if I want to learn about something completely different?
That is a very good point, Blaze. Because the AI only shows you what it thinks you like, you might miss other interesting things in the world. We call this a filter bubble.
A filter bubble. So the AI puts me in a bubble with only my favorite things.
Yes, and it's not just movies and music. Think about social media. When you look at pictures and short videos on your phone, who chooses them?
I always thought I chose them by following my friends.
You follow your friends, but the AI decides what order you see their posts. It also shows you many posts from strangers.
That is true. I see a lot of funny videos from people I do not know, and I cannot stop watching them. I just scroll and scroll.
The AI knows you like those videos. Its job is to keep you on the app for a long time. It feeds you more of what you like.
That sounds a little bit scary. If the AI is so good, I might look at my phone all night and forget to sleep.
Many people do that, Blaze. That is why we must be careful. We need to know when to put the phone down. Sometimes you have to step outside the bubble.
How do I step outside the bubble? Do I need to delete the app?
No, you do not need to delete it. You just have to search for new topics yourself. You have to tell the AI that you want to learn something new. Click on different things.
That makes sense. The AI is a good helper, but I still need to make my own choices.
Perfect. You control the AI. The AI does not control you. So, Blaze, what did we learn about artificial intelligence today?
I learned that AI is not a scary robot from a movie. It is an invisible helper in my phone. It is in my maps, my camera, and my entertainment apps.
That is a perfect summary. AI is a very powerful tool, and just like any tool, we must learn how to use it safely and wisely.
Yes, I will remember that the AI is trying to keep me on my phone. Tonight, I will not just scroll and watch the same videos. I will search for something new.
That is a great idea. What are you going to search for?
Maybe I will search for a video about how to cook a healthy dinner. I need to step outside my filter bubble and eat better food.
I am very proud of you, Blaze. Now, what about you, listeners?
Yes, we want to hear from you. What is your favorite way to use AI every day? Do you use it for maps, music, or typing emails?
Or maybe you use AI for your work or your studies. Have you ever felt stuck in a filter bubble? Tell us your stories in the comments below.
We want to know if you are the boss or if your phone is the boss. Please write to us.
Thank you for joining us on StoryStep English today. If you learned something new from this episode, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And share this video with a friend who spends too much time looking at their phone. It will help them a lot.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, phone, please find me a video about making a healthy salad. And do not show me any videos about fast cars today.